Activate eSIM. In today's video, you are going to learn how to activate Telstra eSIM. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device supports eSIM and is connected to Wi-Fi. If you're using existing Telstra customer, update the My Telstra app on the phone where you want to activate the eSIM. After that, open the application, then go to Service section and here select your mobile service. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Restore eSIM. Then just follow the prompts. The app will automatically set up your eSIM. If you're a new customer or switching from another network, purchase an eSIM plan online or in the application. Telstra will send you activation instructions. Open a QR code. Simply scan the QR code with your phone's camera and follow the on-screen steps to activate the eSIM. Finally, once activation completes, your service should start working instantly. And that's how you will be able to activate your Telstra eSIM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.